chef and Light and Easy ambassador Dom is here to show us a few of the little secrets that goes behind the fantastic meals at Light and Easy. What have you got in store today?
Well, Justine, today I'm going to be cooking for you a Parmesan crusted fish with a delicious creamy sauce that's got a little bit of a twist to it. Sounds secret that I know you're going to like.
We love secrets and we love exposing the secrets here on Everyday Gourmet. What goes into our sauce?
So look, we're going to get started. Tiny drizzle of olive oil. We don't need much because we are using a non-stick pan. I've got some onions.
Sure.
One of my favourite ingredients is fennel. Now, this is for the sauce, our creamy lemon sauce, onions, fennel, and a little bit of garlic, which we're going to just cook down until they kind of saute and become nice and soft. In there, we're going in with some white wine. So this is basically the juice or the flavour that we're going to be cooking our sauce in.
And is that fish stock, chicken stock?
A little bit of chicken stock, so homemade. Now, this just needs to simmer until really the fennel and onion can be squashed between our fingers. So just, you know, maybe 5-10 minutes. Okay, so for our crumb, we've got some Parmesan cheese, panko breadcrumbs or breadcrumbs, some paprika. Gives a nice kind of a smoky, sort of nice little flavour. And I'm going to get you to chop up some parsley and I will zest a lemon. Throw me over the zester. Beautiful. So normally fish is either crumbed or battered or something that does involve, I suppose, a bit more higher fat. This is a really lovely way to get some flavour into the fish without all of those extra calories and something that brings a really nice burst of sunshine with the lemon zest.
I love a crusted fish because you get that sort of soft, fluffy fish that's perfectly cooked underneath and then the texture, the crunchiness on top. Very nice.
And it's something this you can prepare ahead of time and then just have it ready, you know, sitting in the fridge, or you can make this ahead of time and have it in the freezer so that whenever you want to do fish, you've got it ready. Just break up a bit of that cheese.
Okay. And what type of fish are we using?
So we've got a lovely John Dory. So nice and a nice flaky fish, and we've used kind of that middle bit of the fillet. So just a little drizzle of oil onto the fish. That'll just help the crumbs stick to it.
Just the smallest amount.
Yeah, just a little bit. Just give that a little bit of a brush.
And I've noticed there's no salt, but you do have the Parmesan.
You've got the Parmesan in there, which is going to give it some saltiness, but also once the Parmesan melts, as you said, it'll create this really delicious crunch. So I'm actually just going to to press that down.
Do the other side.
Yeah, do the other one for me.
And on it goes. Oh, it looks good.
Lovely.
How's that looking?
Yeah, really good. Okay, beautiful. Now, Justine, the sauce is just about ready. I'm going to throw the capers in. What we're going to do is just reduce that down for a little bit further until most of the liquid has been cooked out. And then we're going to blend that into a puree, come back to our pot and add in the rest of our ingredients.
Sounds good. And this goes into the oven?
Yeah, beautiful, for about 15 minutes.
Sounds good.
Justine, you and I are all over this recipe.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. 2 girls, 2 women in the kitchen. Okay, so we've got our roasted vegetables ready to go. Just a little rosemary, olive oil, easy. Crusted fish, ready to go. Back to the sauce. This is what I wanted to show you. So we've done a gorgeous puree, a little bit of cream. So having that fennel, that extra fennel, the onion and everything, just means that you don't need to be ladling heaps of cream onto your dish. A little tiny knob of butter and a bit of cheese. I'll get you just to cut that lemon for me. We're just going to go in with just a squeeze of lemon juice.
Okay, squeeze that in for you.
And already this looks like a really delicious creamy sauce, which I personally feel a lot more flavour than what you would if you were just throwing in cream and lemon juice into a pan and, you know, creating like just a standard cream sauce. This is what Light and Easy is really famous for with their meals, is that you are still getting all of those incredible flavours, but with the addition of so many more vegetables, nutrients, so really, really good for you.
Really
so I'm just going to put a gorgeous spoon. I'm a huge fan of capers, so I love a lot of sauce.
I can smell the capers.
Yeah, can't you? Delicious. Okay, you go on with a little bit of...
Some veg, just on the side here?
Yeah, on the side. And we've got some steamed vegetables that I've done as well. Light and Easy, I mean, a really dedicated to kind of giving as many vegetables as possible. So, you know, we're all supposed to be eating 5 serves of vegetables a day. I don't know how you go getting in 5 serves, but this is a fabulous way to start.
Yes.
And look, if you find that you don't have enough time, if you're at home, you're too busy to cook, really simple, you can have one of Light and Easy's meals, this exact same Parmesan fish in the freezer, and it's ready in 8 minutes.
Well, I'm just grateful that you've shown us the ins and outs and really what goes in to a beautiful, healthy meal like this. This is yummy food. I love it. Thanks, Dom.
You're welcome.